In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create call to action in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into the marketing on your left sidebar until you can see the option for CTAs. Head over and click on CTAs right here in order to open the call to action panel. Now from in there, you can see these options for your personalized. We have pop-ups, slide-ins, buttons, and the likes. You can also create your new one with the help of AI. On this case, let me head over and choose right here this button option and click on use template. Once that has been chosen, you can see right here the editor for this particular button. So let's input right here the URL this will link to. You can also option to input right here new tab. Now for the text, you can change the text right here. For example, let's input this shop here. And then you can also change the actual style of the button. You can change the width, the background it was associated with. For example, let's choose blue. And this will reflect the change. You can also add borders as well as styles for those borders. And from in there, you can actually add or increase the width for those. Here we have it right here. I can also change the corner, the radius, and the likes, and once you're done, you can review and publish. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.